Today we are going to use olive oil, coffee, and honey. Only these three things. So both olive oil and honey are loaded with moisturizing effects for our hair, or should I say moisturizing properties. This combination is really great for hair that is dry. Plus coffee is very super amazing. It makes my hair super soft each time I use it. So what we're gonna do, we're going to measure 3 tablespoons of each. This is based on my hair. Tablespoons of olive oil. 1, 2, and 3. I am going in with 2 tablespoons of coffee and 2 tablespoons of honey. Come on, honey. There we go. So let's do this. Here we go. 1 and 2. We are going to mix this well. It will be nice and thick, and I'm going to apply this directly on my scalp and massage it on my scalp. Mix it very well. Now, this could be optional if you want to add in a little bit of what do you call it, lemon. Adding lemon could be optional, just to kind of cut down to make it a bit smooth, you know, because when you mix coffee and honey, it's kind of sticky a bit. Now let me apply it quickly. To make the process much easier for myself, I will spray my hair with a bit of water. This will help to distribute the mask on my scalp, because my scalp really needs cleansing, and that's why coffee comes in too. Now, so if you find it to be a bit sticky, a trick is grab water, just a bit, mix it in there, and mix. This is where the trick is, so that it's easy to apply, because as we know, honey is sticky. So after you mix it with a bit of water, we'll break it down, see, and make it easy for yourself. I'm focusing on my scalp. See? So apply until the head is finished. Natural hair is beautiful. This is the end. This is how my hair, after washing, this is how it looks like. It's very soft and everything came out nicely. So mixing with a bit of water really helped. No sticky honey, no stickiness or anything. So all nice and very very soft. Yes, my hair feels good, feels nice. Wow, look. That is so nice.